Now that we have our pictures selected and our 4 titles as well, let's collect just the things we're going to use in our video. I'm going to make a new folder. I'm going to call it My Favorite Assets. Assets are things that you can use in making the video. Could be sound, images, video. It will help if we get our large icons so that we can decide which ones. If you've already decided, which you should have done with your Word document, then you can select the pictures like this. Holding down Control can let you select more than one, or you can just do Control C, go to the new folder, and Control V, and you can jump back and forth in between these. I'm going to hold down Control as I click on my second picture, which is this Colorado, and my apple. Which picture of stacks? I only ended up with one Puffy Cheetos that I could use. And then my sci-fi, Miyazaki for movie genre, and this one here. When I press Control C this time, and Control V here, I should have 9 images. Control A to select all of them shows 9 items. Let me get my PNG titles as well. Again, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Control C, Control V. Destination folder is the same. Let me try again. I just need my places. For some reason, there was already one there. Places. And now I have 13 items. Check your pictures. Make sure you have the right ones. They should be in order. Again, going back to details, you can see right here 1 through 9, and then my 3 categories and 1 intro.